what's up, Logan? I'm Rit, and I'm over here at the Matt T function. So what are you guys enjoying about the dance so far?
It's awesome. I'm enjoying the glow sticks. It's pretty amazing. I heard there was amazing tacos.
I love how there's so many options. Like they have a photo booth, and then they have the jumper, and then they have all the movies playing, and then they have like the separate dance area. It's really creative. We've never had anything like that.
The rave theme,
yeah,
the jumper. The jumper, yes, racing in the jumper.
I like the popcorn. It's really good, and the dance, like you have to wait for the adrenaline to come in, and then yeah, dance.
It's just so clean. Like I mean, I love it. That boy just like a twerk monster.
You can just like go in and just do whatever, just do you, you know, like freestyle, have fun, you know, just live in high school.
Just dancing like high school. So much fun. I love my day.
Yeah. I love getting danced with.
It's very fun. Let's turn up.
Probably hanging out with all my boys. It's our last dance, homecoming dance, and it's just showing our spirit.
Hey, it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
People acting crazy right now in the dance.
You guys want to give a shout out to anyone?
Shout out to my seniors! Hey!